Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G-Shock GA-2100. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our hands are properly aligned. That way when we set our digital time, our hands will display the correct time. To do this, we're going to press and hold our adjust button. Wait for that second beep, keep holding it. We'll see H set and we'll hear a second beep. Now we'll see sub start flashing. So we're controlling our sub dial here, which is our day of the week. We can advance this forward with start and reverse with light. And to be zeroed, we want it to be pointing at Sunday. Once that's properly aligned, we can press mode. And now we're controlling our hour and our minute hands. So we want this to be pointing at directly 12 o'clock. And again, we can go forward and reverse. Once that's properly pointing at 12, we can press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. Now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. So to enter our timekeeping mode, we're going to want to press and hold adjust again. We'll let go of it once we hear that first beep, and now we'll be in our first setting, which is where we can choose our time zone using start and light to go forward and back. To enter our next setting, we'll press mode. This is daylight savings off or on. Mode again will allow us to choose 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode once more will allow us to zero our seconds with our start button. Mode again will allow us to set our hour. Mode again will allow us to set our minute. Mode again will allow us to set our year. Mode again for our month. Mode again for our day. Mode again will allow us to choose if we want to beep or if we want our watch to be muted. And finally, mode will bring us to our final setting, which is our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Once we're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust, and our watch will set itself to the correct time. Thank you all so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please check out the channel and consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.